Hi everyone, today I'm making salmon patties and I'm making this with stovetop stuffing. This is really quick and easy when you don't have a lot of time and you just need to get something on the table. Start by adding 1.5 cups of the stovetop stuffing. I'm using the chicken flavor. And if you're using 2 cans of salmon, you could use the entire box of the stovetop stuffing, but I'm only using 1. And then add a tablespoon of milk and a teaspoon of salt. Stir that around a little bit and add 2 eggs. And mix that really well, just to get it all combined. And then after you've done that, you can add your salmon. I've already rinsed and cleaned the bones and skin out of the salmon. You can leave that in if you prefer, but I don't like it in there, so I take it out. The stuffing mix gives this a little extra crunch and a lot of extra flavor without any other steps. So even though this is very simple to make, don't let that fool you. It is very tasty. So just keep mixing that until it's very well combined and the consistency is well enough that you can make some patties by hand. The size of the patties is up to you. I made mine pretty small, and from 1 can of salmon and the stuffing, I've got 8 patties. Have a pan ready, preheating on medium-low. Add a little bit of oil to that. And then when you have all your patties made, you can just go ahead and put those in your pan, and it only takes 3 or 4 minutes to cook these, and just let them brown on one side, turn them, and then add a little more oil because the first side will soak up what oil you have put into your pan. Making these salmon patties this way is just so easy. It requires very little effort, and you don't have to worry about making breadcrumbs or having breadcrumbs in your pantry or having to run out to the store to buy some. This is just so simple. And it really is very good. And then you can just serve that up with whatever side dishes you prefer. And you have dinner. I do try to make up recipes that are very simple for people who just don't have a lot of time all the time. And I hope you enjoy this. And if you do, then I hope you'll check out my other videos. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time.